So we got a product, we need to get paid, and we don't have any models. I want to turn myself into an AI model and promote my clothing brand with ease. In this video, in under 10 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to use Nano Banana and this secret website to go ahead and make yourself an AI model. Let's get into it. Now that the fire is smoked, we have a website called Gensmo. This is your first fashion AI agent. Yeah, you heard it. So as I scroll through this website, I'm actually going to tell you some of the things about Gensmo that you need to see or need to know. So first, I want you to understand that they use all sorts of things like Google Shopping, Doppel, or whatever, and you can AI try-on shopping tools. These are all examples of AI try-ons and how you can take a picture of you and start trying things on with any outfit, any background. And let me tell you, Nano Banana is not a fruit. What it does is it just gives you that precise body landmark detection, clothes fit more naturally. Bro, pretty much anything in the picture it can change, replicate, or do exactly what we're talking about here, the try-on feature. So as you see, here's some use cases right here on screen. And so the main thing they want you to understand is that this is a mobile application. You can even download this on Mac, which I'm gonna show you, but they really want you to use this on your phone. So you take a lot of the pics on your phone. You got dope pics, you got your homegirl, your homie, you got your clothing line, your clothing brand, or even if you just have you can put yourself in any background or backdrop, right? So once you download your tool, this is something what it's gonna look like. You can see the different moments, all the different things here. Let me show you on the screen. All right, so forgive me, this is a little small because we're doing this on desktop, but this is a mobile app. So first you're gonna be asked, do you want to promote men and women? I've clicked both. They're gonna ask, what style do you want? I selected my style. Now they're gonna select what brands do you like? All right, so we're gonna go Alexander McQueen, Ralph Lauren, and Supreme. Hit continue. Now it's saying choose the best vibe that feels the closest. Okay. So I'm just gonna click read my style. Now what this is doing is building your personalized style. So now look what's happening right here on the spot. They have different things. You can try these outfits on, different poses, different ideas, and they show you also who's posted it. So let's say, for example, they got this dude here. He got a pretty cool outfit. Look at this, pretty dope outfit. Outfit of the day. And it even shows you the products in the picture, bro. Look at this. If you want the shirt, you can go get it from Amazon for 23 bucks. You want these pants right here, these pants cost $3.50. You want the shoes, you want the tie, etc., etc. It's all right here. You got a Ferragamo belt on. Sheesh. Okay, so you can easily shop any of these websites and they give you more and more inspiration. Also, if you like this tool, make sure you go download Gensmo. I'll have everything you need, all the links in the description. Like the video, subscribe. RIP Charlie Kirk. You did. I want you to think Pinterest, think live fashion. Imagine like a person designing you right here live and you can have endless try-ons. So when you want to try something on and you like the outfit, you press try on. So what it's going to do right now is start adjusting the fit and adjusting the details, you get what I'm saying, so that it starts to fit you and it's tailored to you. And when you make your account, you'll be able to upload all of the pictures of yourself that you need as well. And I want you to keep this in mind. What I selected was men and women. So this took this outfit off Buddy, right? And then what it did was it gave me 2 real life models. So imagine you got a clothing brand, right? You don't need models anymore. Gone are the days of paying these OnlyFans girls, these Instagram models, or whoever, your friend that don't pay taxes, paying these people to try to hunt them down to go ahead and make your product. Instead, I got a notification right here that my pictures are ready and I can literally download these pictures in the exact outfit that I want to be displayed. You can save them as your favorites, you can retry, which will regenerate, or you can press Vibe Imagine. Now you have your prompt right here. You get what I'm saying? So you can change this to anything you want. I can say, add a diamond butterfly necklace. And they'll do it. You press enter, it will generate and try it on immediately. Not right now, Gensmo. Gensmo, I said what I need you to do is go ahead and add a diamond butterfly necklace, one like this or like this, to the person. And what did it do? Added a diamond butterfly necklace just like that. So you can download this picture. You can even post this to your social media. You can add this to your favorites, whatever. Gensmo is literally changing fashion forever. So what I'm telling you is that Google is cooking. Everybody uses things. You even say, I'm gonna Google something. And ChatGPT starting to become more prevalent. But with Nano Banana, look what it's done right here. You can change any picture, keep it consistent. You can keep the same picture, just change the shirt. Keep the same picture, just change the background. Just change the color of the socks. This is what Google is taking over. This is one of their AI tools and products in association with Gensmo. I don't care where you get the pictures from, but just know AI is out here cooking with hot grease. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. But RIP Charlie Kirk, make sure y'all go out there and spread some love today. Just because a person don't agree with you don't mean you take them away. You did!